find the equation of the plane passing through the point of intersection of the planes. Equation of both the planes are given and perpendicular to the plane. Now, the equation of the plane passing through the point of intersection of the planes 2x plus 3y minus z plus 1 is equal to 0 and x plus y minus 2z plus 3 is equal to 0 is given as. Now, the equation is given as 2x plus 3y minus z plus 1 plus lambda x plus y minus 2z plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So, now to this what we can write it? We can write it 2 plus lambda with x plus 3 plus lambda with y minus 1 plus 2 lambda with z plus 1 plus 3 lambda is equal to 0. Now, let this be equation 1. Equation 1. Now, since the equation 1 is perpendicular to the plane to this plane, it is 3x minus y minus 2z minus 4 is equal to 0. Now, therefore, 2 plus lambda with 3 plus 3 plus lambda with minus 1 minus 1 plus 2 lambda with minus 2 is equal to 0. Now, 6 plus 3 lambda minus 3 minus lambda plus 2 plus 4 lambda is equal to 0. Now, 3 lambda minus lambda and 4 lambda, 6 lambda, 6 minus 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 6 lambda plus 5 is equal to 0, lambda is equal to minus 5 upon 6. Substituting value of lambda in equation 1, we get 2x plus 3y minus z plus 1 minus 5 upon 6 with x plus y minus 2z plus 3 is equal to 0. Now, twelve x plus 18y minus 6z plus 6 minus 5x minus 5y plus 10z minus 15 is equal to 0. 12 and 5, 7x plus 13y plus 4z minus 9 is equal to 0. Hence required equation of plane is 7x plus 13y plus 4z minus 9 is equal to 0.